Hello everyone, welcome back to Earning with Bits. Today we are going to check out ClaimerCorner, an awesome website for earning free crypto. Get started by signing up with your Faucet Pay email and logging in. Okay, once you're logged in, you will see your balance in the middle of the page and your dashboard on the left. On your dashboard you have your Faucet, Shortlinks, PTC and surveys. Select Faucet from your dashboard and solve the CAPTCHA in the middle of your screen. Once you've completed the CAPTCHA, collect your reward. The Faucet timer should reset. Great! Now go back to your dashboard and select PTC. As you can see, there are dozens of ads to watch. Click on one of the window ads and visit the web page until the timer runs out. When the timer runs out, solve the CAPTCHA in the middle of the screen. Good job! Make sure you click through all of the surf ads. Great! You also have a lottery and a multiplier. Don't forget to claim your free lottery tickets. As you can see, I won 2 days ago. When you want to withdraw, go back to your dashboard home screen and select your avatar on the top right. Select either your Faucet Pay or C wallet. Choose the coin you want to withdraw. I'm going to choose Pepe. Set the amount that you want to withdraw. Now select the green Withdraw tab in the middle of the screen. Fantastic! Okay, scroll down and check your history to confirm the withdrawal. Once you have completed your withdrawal, go to your C wallet and check to make sure your withdrawal has been deposited. If you don't have a C wallet, you can sign up by clicking on the link in the description below. As you can see, my Pepe has been instantly deposited. Have fun earning. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.